Grim milestone to report in Dallas County. As of today, more than 4,000 people now have died from the virus in the county. One of those deaths was a vaccinated person with high-risk underlying health conditions. We're told it's a group doctors are still kind of concerned about. Brooke has more on that. So why the concern?
Well, Doug, for most people, experts say the vaccine offers a good deal of protection. But even the CDC warns if you have a condition or you're taking medications that weaken your immune system, you may not be fully protected, even if you've been fully vaccinated.
Each of these individuals is a family member of someone, is a friend of someone.
More than 10 million people in the U.S. have compromised immune systems, from organ transplant patients to those with disorders like Crohn's disease and lupus. Dr. Julie Trivedi with UT Southwestern says even though mask rules are relaxing, these patients and their families still need to take precautions.
If someone is immunocompromised or elderly, they may benefit from wearing a mask so that they are exposed to less virus from those around them. And the individuals who are around these persons might also want to consider masking just to protect their family and loved ones.
In Dallas County, there have been 8 vaccine breakthrough deaths. One was a transplant recipient. The rest were either immunocompromised, on immunosuppressant medication, or had multiple underlying high-risk health conditions.
It might take a greater number of doses. It might take additional factors to optimize that response.
Dr. Robert Gottlieb is leading several clinical trials at Baylor Scott & White Research Institute. Some of their patients are even taking part in a trial at Johns Hopkins looking into this issue. In the meantime, he says the best defense is to get as many people vaccinated as possible.
It's both individual protection, but it's also protecting at the population level. And to do that, we really need to catch up to some of the other states that are ahead of us in that percentage of population that's been vaccinated.
And so far, 40% of the state population 12 and older is fully vaccinated. Nearly 50% received at least one dose of the vaccine. Researchers are testing a third shot in some of these patients to see if that will help with their immune response. We expect to learn more as that research continues to evolve.